Understanding the phrase, Eternal Nightfall. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing phrase, Eternal Nightfall. This expression might sound poetic or even a bit mysterious, and it's a great example of the rich and descriptive nature of the English language. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations and writings. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, eternal and nightfall. Eternal means something that lasts forever, without an end. It's often used to describe time or concepts that have no limit or conclusion. Nightfall refers to the time of day when the sun sets and it becomes dark, essentially the beginning of the night. So, when these words are combined in the phrase, eternal nightfall, it paints a picture of a night that never ends. While the literal interpretation of eternal nightfall is a never-ending night, this phrase is often used figuratively. In literature, it can symbolize a state of perpetual darkness or gloom. It could represent a situation that seems hopeless or without a positive resolution in sight. The phrase is evocative and can add a layer of depth and emotion to descriptions or narratives. Eternal nightfall is not a common everyday phrase, but it's used in creative writing and poetic contexts. Here are some examples. Metaphorically in storytelling, after the tragedy, her life felt like an eternal nightfall, with joy seemingly gone forever. In poetry or lyrics, the phrase might be used to convey deep sadness or an unchanging, somber situation. It's important to use this phrase in appropriate contexts where its dramatic and profound nature will be understood and appreciated. Sometimes, eternal nightfall might appear in cultural references, like in titles of books, songs, or movies. In such cases, it's often used to set a tone of mystery, sadness, or an impending sense of doom. Recognizing this phrase can enhance your understanding of English in a cultural and artistic sense. Eternal nightfall is a beautiful, though somber, phrase that showcases the expressive potential of the English language. It's a great example of how words can be combined to create a powerful and evocative image. I hope this video helps you appreciate the depth and beauty of English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.